जैकी भगनानी की प्रोडक्शन हाउस पूजा एंटरटेनमेंट हुई अक्यूज ऑफ नॉन पेमेंट ऑफ सैलरीज. To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Several people took to social media to call out the production company, urging not to work with the banner run by Jackie Bhagnani and Vasu Bhagnani. जैकी भगनानी की प्रोडक्शन हाउस को एक बहुत बड़े तूफान का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, as उनके क्रू मेंबर्स उनको अक्यूज कर रहे हैं उनकी सैलरीज टाइम पे ना देने के लिए. Some who have worked with the production house took to Instagram to claim that they have been struggling to receive their payments. They used social media to express their frustration over the delay and criticize such behavior. Crew member रुचिका कामले ने अपने Instagram पे एक लॉन्ग पोस्ट किया बताते हुए कि कैसे उनकी सैलरी टाइम पे नहीं आई है और ये भी कहा कि किसी को भी उनके साथ काम नहीं करना चाहिए. She wrote, "Not the one to ever make such post, but sometimes people need to be outset. Seeing my team and the crew I worked with struggle day in and out to just get hold of our own hard-earned money has compelled me to make this post. Read the sheer frustration of these young girls who have beautifully stated the absolute discreet @ Pooja Entertainment and has the sheer unprofessional, unethical behavior that we all have been tolerating for way too long. Being dodged from person to another just to ask for our own money, which was promised to be cleared within 45 to 60 working days. Post completion, which in itself is also unprofessional, but the crew graciously agreed as we are a bunch driven by passion for filmmaking. But to exploit this passion to such an extent should not be acceptable. There is no hope of getting paid, but this post is to make the countless others aware of this fraudulent practices by Pooja Entertainment, Jackie Bhagnani, Vasu Bhagnani and vouch not to work with them. इसके बाद और crew members सामने आए और अपनी स्टोरी पे इसी बात को सच कहते हुए लिखा, I did a movie 2 years ago with a well-known production house. Me along with at least 100 crew members are still awaiting our payments since 2 years. Meanwhile, actors have been paid immediately because they are actors. None of the producers have an answer to a question, where is my hard-earned money? Most importantly, when can I get my hard-earned money? Citizens ने उनको सपोर्ट करते हुए भी अपनी स्टोरीज पे पोस्ट किया और लिखा, producers traveling in business class abroad almost every month, going on leisure vacations, living their lives to the fullest, buying luxury cars, gifting luxuries, making money by filming, releasing, rebates, etc. etc. Say they have fund issues when it comes to paying the crew and then don't even pay for years, but they have endless money to splurge on themselves. This is so sick. कुछ लोगों ने कमेंट करते हुए भी अपनी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के डार्क साइड को पॉइंट आउट करते हुए लिखा, That's bitter truth about these luxury producers. Come on, don't make silly errors by not paying to those talents. And someone also commented, Shame, karma for such by such people. Well, आपको क्या लगता है पूजा एंटरटेनमेंट के इस अनप्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर के बारे में और क्यों अब तक जैकी भगनानी का कोई कमेंट नहीं आया है इस इंसिडेंट पे? Let us know your views in the comment section below and for more such latest updates do follow our page.